We're not werewolves, so you know what? Fuck you.
Hey, you can do that.
Go too.
You tell- Is this
But
checking?
you want the head with
Yeah.
I do.
Yeah.
You know I'm a chip leader. You better watch out.
Oh wait, I'm here. I watch cards.
You know Tiger and I'm a chip leader?
Yeah.
No, I want to be a card. I just want to get the hell out of the side, dude.
I don't blame you. It's fucking insane.
Yeah, it's crazy people.
Imagine going to the side trying to count 1,000.